What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Air Max 1 Treeline. Let's get into it.
This is FZ Music.
With a normal Nike box, it has a red Nike with the white Nike on top of the box. You got your white Nike on this side, same on this side, but then we're gonna get to the front of the box and it reads Nike Air Max 1 in H, and the colorway is Treeline and Light Bordeaux. Let's get into the inside. First, we're gonna open it up. You still got the same normal cream tissue paper that comes in mostly every Nike shoe. We're gonna pull it out and take out the main ingredients of the video, and that is the Nike Air Max 1 Treeline. Alright, here we go. First of all, this shoe released on May the 7th for a retail price of $150. They're released on Nike.com. These right here were like supposed to come out on Air Max Day, but apparently they didn't. They got pushed back, so we're getting them now. And yeah, finally got my hands on them, so let's get into this review. These are also called the Treeline, but they were supposed to be like, they said they look like the Nike Dunk XPs, the Skunk. They came out along in 2010, so that's what this colorway resembles. They kind of look the same, but to me it's like they really don't, so I don't know. I guess that's just what they want to go off of for the name of the shoe, so that's what we're going with. But let's get to the aspects of the shoe. First, you got this nice, I would say tan mesh material right here on the toe of the shoe. You got this nice, I would say pine green suede coming across the front of the toe, going all the way around the shoe. You had this, I would say, I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's like a light creamish material coming across the sides of the shoe right here. Then you're gonna run into this nice, I would say, Light Bordeaux Nike check and that nice suede material. We're gonna get to the nice air bubble. Got the same Light Bordeaux on the inside of the air bubble right there. Then we're gonna come to the front again to these nice shoestrings. They are nice dark pine green shoestrings, and they had little speckles in them. They got the white, and then they got the Light Bordeaux speckles on the inside of the shoestrings. On the tongue, you got a nice black tongue that says Nike, and that nice Light Bordeaux color right here on the shoes. We're gonna flip to the back of the shoe. You got that, it says Nike Air Max right there, and that nice, I would say, tannish material color. It's stitched in, and you still got that nice green hairy suede going across the back of the shoe. We're gonna get to the inside of the shoe. It says Nike Air Max, which is nice, but I have to pull out this insert of the shoe because it has a nice little printing on the inside I want y'all to see. And it looked like it's like a, hold on, let me pull that out. It looked like it's it's the footprint of the shoe, but it's just embroidered on the inside of that insert right there, which is very nice. I think that's just nice, very different, just another little different aspect they added onto the shoe. Is just very nice. Other than that, that was it. You got this nice tannish color coming across the back of the across the ankle. You got those nice little tan eyelets right here. No extra laces, so that was it. They just came with these, which is fine because I think that the way they made the laces is just like a perfect match, since they put all the colors in the shoestrings that match the shoe. So that's just, you don't really need no other shoestrings. They look good just like that. That's pretty much it for that shoe. Then on the bottom you got the all black rubber. That's pretty much it for that shoe. This was the left shoe. Let's get to the right shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got that nice green suede come across the bottom, toe of the shoe, going all the way around the shoe. You're gonna come across right here to the back, to the top of the toe up here, and then you got that nice brown mesh material right there. And then you got this nice, like I said, same shoelaces with the speckles going all the way through it. Nice cream material going on right here. I just really wish I knew what material. If y'all know what material this is, y'all let me know down in the comments below. I don't know what material that is right there, so y'all let me know what material that is. I don't know what kind it is, because I can't say it's not leather and it's not suede, so I really don't know what the name of that material is, so if you know, let me know down in the comments below. We're gonna have this nice Light Bordeaux hairy suede Nike check right here. We're gonna go to the back of the shoe. It says Nike Air Max in that nice tan stitching going on in the back right there. We're gonna come around the shoe. You got this nice cream rubber come across the bottom of the shoe with the air bubble right there with that same little Light Bordeaux and the air bubble. Then you got those same black rubber bottom. On the inside that's pull tag tongue. It looks the same as that way. Same color on the inside of that shoe, nothing different. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, everybody was pretty much trying to go for these. I mean, like I said, they were supposed to come out on Air Max Day, but they didn't come out on Air Max Day, so they pushed back. So they just came out on the 7th of May. Like I said, I was lucky enough to hit on Sneakers app. It seems like a lot of people hit because I see a lot of people, a lot of reviews going on out there. So I'm quite sure it was a good success rate for these right here. But like I said, very nice colorway, very clean colorway. Like it's a nice Air Max. Like all Air Maxes don't have good colorways, but this is a nice clean colorway. I mean, y'all let me know. Do you like this colorway? Do you think it looks good? Did you pass on them? Because I know some people don't like these colors and they might have passed. So y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about them. Let me know if you did go for them. Did you hit? If not, did you try to get them for resale? I know a lot of people bought them off resale just to get them early. I just was waiting until the release date. And like I said, I was lucky enough to hit them off the Nike app, Sneakers app. So got lucky on that. And yeah, but that's pretty much it for these. This is a Nike Air Max 1 Treeline. And I'm still trying to understand why they called them Treeline. I don't know. If you know, you let me know. Because I don't know why it's called Treeline. I'd rather them just say Skunk. Because it did at least look similar to those dunks that came out back in 2010. But other than that, y'all just let me know. But let me know what you think about them. Go ahead, like, subscribe, continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. And if you're new to watching any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can continue to join me and watch all these videos with me. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.